Welcome to Fabricville! Today I'm showing you how to turn a pair of jeans into a skirt. We'll start with this black pair. First, I decide on the skirt length I want. Then I cut off the bottom part. Then I cut along the inner leg seams. I also cut along the curved crotch seam, both at the front and the back. At the front, the edges already have a flat felt seam, so we can keep them as is. At the back, I finish the raw edges, then press them folded to the inside. I overlap the crotch edges as well at the top of the opening and stitch 2 lines right over the original flat felt seam. I'll leave a slit at the center front and stitch 2 lines along each side. At the back, I do the same for the upper part at the crotch. However, along the center back length, I can't join the edges. This pair is too narrow and the skirt will feel too restrictive. So instead, I'll add a triangular insert. For that, I use the bottom part I cut off earlier. I place a piece of fabric under the opening, trace the missing shape, add seam allowances, and cut it out. I pin the triangle in place, then stitch from the crotch down to the hem on both sides of the insert. For the hem, I could stitch a regular finish, but this time I'm going for a frayed edge by pulling out a few horizontal threads. Let's look at another example with this white pair. The legs are wider, so I can join both the front and back center seams without leaving a slit or adding an insert for a straight skirt. And that's it for your upcycled denim skirts. Thanks for watching and see you next time.